Richard Paul Evans said, people can become so blinded by their own perceived victimhood that they make victims of everyone around them. Hi, and welcome to the Daily Self-Love Podcast. I'm your host CS Neha Bajaj, and in today's episode, I'm going to help you understand the realities of being a victim in your life and helping you in making choice to either live as a victim or leave victimhood. Today, to start working on creating a better future for yourself. Every single day, we are gifted with abundant opportunities to work on achieving something worthwhile in life, to have clear intentions and goals, and to choose to live the best life has to offer. But we are so stuck in our own perceived victimhood that we simply deny looking for the opportunities that's there in front of us. And so we simply continue to dwell on our own created negativity. Well, what exactly does that even mean, you might ask? Tammy Bruce quoted, "When your victimhood is your empowerment, recovery is your enemy, and working on individual change becomes counterproductive, even dangerous to your identity." I have shared in one of my previous podcasts about the importance of gratitude. And Robin Sharma said, you can't stand in gratitude if you are stuck in victimhood. Being a victim in life means that you are nurturing a mindset of I can't. You don't believe in yourself or in your capabilities. Rather, you are encouraging your fears to overpower your real powers in life. Being a victim in life forces you to live in your past and experience the hurt every single day. This not only stops you from moving on in life, rather, it makes you a stubborn person who is clearly denying forgiveness to others, and in the process, you are hurting yourself only. Victimhood is just a mindset, and it will live with you for as long as you will allow it to live. Shannon and Alder expresses this as, you are only a victim to the degree of what your perception allows. If you continue to dwell in the I can't mindset, you definitely can never be or have anything you might achieve if you could just let go of the I can't mindset. People make mistakes. They hurt others. Sometimes intentionally, other times unintentionally. But what we have to do is to just let go and forgive. Because forgiveness is a powerful tool to help you achieve your goals in life. Now, if you may ask how? Because for every person you forgive, you heal a wound of your own. Remember that you can overcome real difficulties, but what you can't overcome is the imaginary ones. Your current reality or your current life is a result of the thoughts you have been thinking and the choices you make in everyday life. Things will change only if you will allow them to change. So, my question for you today is, what do you choose? To continue to live in the victimhood or to leave victimhood and I can't mindset? What's your choice? To leave or to live in the victimhood? And if it is to leave victimhood and move towards greater, better things in life, then you know what to do. As I always say, if you choose to create your new life, then the first step you have to do is to intentionally create your every single day. Every single day, choose to leave victimhood and be thankful for every positive thing in your life. Continue to do this every single day. Just be focused and start. Start right now. And if you need someone to talk to, or if you are looking for an accountability partner, book a one-on-one with me and I'll do my best as a self-love lifestyle mentor to help you create the life you desire. With this, I'll sign off for now. See you in the next episode. Share the podcast among the people in your network. Subscribe to the podcast on Apple iTunes. Stay tuned for the next episode and stay self-loved.